So, right then people, thanks for clicking. Bit of a different one for me. This is new tools, bargain new tools. So, these are made by Bosch, 12 quid for 4. That's £3 each. So, shall we find out how they compare with some older ones? Let's just get some older ones out of the toolbox. We will go for some nice Diamond Cork Tool Company ones. Right, put that away nicely. So the thickness, I mean, it's negligible. It's near on the same, which I am very, very surprised at. The weight feels the same. Let's get it on some scales, shall we? And we'll see exactly what the weight is. All right, that's at 0. We'll weigh it. 585, and the Vosch comes in at heavier, only slightly though. It's a fairly decent looking spanner, isn't it, really? It actually winds in and out easier than this old diamond would, but you know, it won't be winding in and out like the diamond would in 8 years' time. They both open to exactly the same. I think they're a good old workshop spanner. I'll be keeping them hanging up, so if I break one, it don't matter. We'll be moving on very shortly to some American tools that I've managed to buy brand new in this country, straight off of eBay. Anyone expecting a restoration today? Well, after this, there's a link at the end. Have a look at this sweetheart I restore on my other channel. Cheeky sod. Bought 3 things over a week and he's posted them all together. Wow, well I was thinking these were going to be second hand. Well, as you can see, these are Craftsman. Or Craftsman Professional. Don't know what these would cost you in America, but they cost me about £10. So I am bloody happy with them. I'll be giving them a go, I tell you. Also, same chap. Now I wish I'd bought the Torx screwdrivers off him. Same chap, a Craftsman again. Look at that. Might have to get some red paint out, people. So I'm not sure if this is Craftsman Professional or not. Craftsman Industrial, right? And it does say USA. Don't know where it was made. Right, because it's got a plastic thingy up here, which is a bit shit, isn't it? But, well, there we go. That was £30. Something I haven't got to clean. Extra storage, that says. Look at that, I mean, £30, right? One, you get the sockets. 2, look at the size of this breaker bar. I'd like to try and break that just to see. You know what I'm like. Alright, so I'm happy with that. Now I have actually got myself. Anyone remember what it come out like? Tell me in the comments. There we go. Right. So I've got myself a half decent-ish. A bit of rust there coming through. Craftsman set. So I'll tell you what, that's they were about £5, I think. China ruins it all, doesn't it, eh? China. No mention of China on that one, no mention of China on this. But they are China. But they're craftsmen, so. They will indeed. These, gotta love a pair of these, haven't you? I've got a pair of the Irwins with the button. So, just a quick one to show you what's about. The chap has actually got more of these listed on eBay UK, so if you want a pair of these for a tenner, I mean, you can't go far wrong, can you? Look at they are lovely. There's no bend in them, they're lovely. And these £30, and I think the other one's about £5 or £6. Big old pliers and lines. So, yeah, eBay UK, check it out, type in craftsman, away you go. That's it, just a quickie. Don't forget them first spanners. I'm going to say bye for now.